Hey, what's going on, guys? Vince Anthony Automation down here in Visalia, California. Continuing on, I'm going to go over some compare instructions today, but just to briefly cover what we did to run this little bit of code here. I have this start button, and we're going to set the timer sequence, and I'm going to hit this start button 3 times, like what's in here, and then we're going to go through a timer sequence, and we're going to latch on the status bit, 1, 2, and we're going to show the number of counts right here, 3, and then we begin timing, 1, 2, 3, and then on comes our status. So we're going to move on here. Like I said, we're going to do some moves and compare instructions. So just to cover these real quick, compare instructions are instructions where you could say something is greater than or less than or equal to or less than and equal to or greater than and equal to. And then a move instruction is just that. You're going to move one value from one register to another register. So let's get started. We'll go to the move instruction first, I think. And what we'll do here is I will change the tag in here to point it to another integer, and then we will move that integer into this timer here. So let me jump off of here and real quick, and I will record that while a little bit of music's playing. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to come up here, we're going to add a rung, we're going to put a move instruction, the change the instruction type, move is MOV, and we're going to move N7, colon 48, which is what I just put in that box to set the number of counts, and we're going to move that to C5, colon 0, slash pre, which is the preset for this guy. Yeah, inside of your counters, you have a preset and an accumulated value. You can set these or read from them, just so you know. Okay, and we're going to go back here real quick and just test this. And we're going to put 3. Showed up, that's good. So it came over here. So the next thing I want to say, all we're doing here, we're moving an integer value. Let me just start this guy back up again. We're moving an integer value from this register to this counter preset. So basically just from this integer or this register to the preset in this timer. So C5 colon 0.pre, we're talking about the preset value for this counter. Alright, so moving along here, we are going to, I'm going to change this done bit with a equal bit, and I'm just going to go off the accumulated value here, and I'm going to say when it's equal to 3, so we're going to say change instruction type, and we're going to say EQU, and we're going to say when C5 backslash ACC would be the accumulated value, is equal to 3. Or we can even say is equal to the preset value. There we go. That'll be more dynamic. So if it's equal to the preset value, in essence done, it's the same thing, then we'll start that timer. Alright, here we go. So here we go. We're going to say clear it. But right now it's equal to 0. We're going to say 1, 2, see it, 3. Begin timing, 1, 2, 3. That guy comes on. Good to go. Now we're going to clear it. All right, it works. So now let's try not equal. So as long as it's not equal to 3, so we're going to change this to LEQ, not equal. So as long as it's not equal to 3, we're going to run our motor. We'll assume that's a motor. All right, so here we go. Right now it's not equal to 3, so it's running. And so even when we stop it, it's still not equal to 3. So there's nothing we can do there until we make this guy equal to 3. Now it's not equal to 3, it stops everything. So now we can change that to a less than equal, meaning, okay, it's 3 or less. Let's see what happens here. So now, what do we expect to have happen? We're going to stop and clear it because it's less than 3, so it's going to run. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes off because it's greater than 3. That's less than equal, and then we can say greater than equal. Going to be the same thing in reverse, right? So as soon as it's equal to 3, or greater than equal to 3, it'll run. But if we clear it, it's not going to run. Not until we get to 3 or above. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. There it goes. It starts counting. Boom. And we're running. There it is. Okay, so that, where are we at now? Limit. So we're going to set a limit now. And we're going to say LIM. And we're going to test the accumulated value, because that's the one that's going to be moving. And we're going to say if it's between 0 and 3, then we can go ahead and run this. And so if it's 0, 1, 2, or 3, it'll run. But anything outside of that, it won't. Here we go. Okay, so it's equal to 0 right now, so it's running. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's outside of that limit, so it's not running. Okay, so that's equal, move, greater than equal, less than equal, and limit. Stay tuned for the next one.